I am Dino from Philippines. I'd like to propose to you a theory on predicting an earthquake. My theory is based on observation that I have experienced that was a long time ago. Because after that observation, maybe 2 or 3 days, an earthquake occurs. So I believe there is a relation between that observation and that earthquake. So to prove this theory, we have to make an actual observation and experiment by putting up several monitoring stations. This monitoring station consists of shelter and instrument that will be used in making observation and experiment. It must be located on a place where it's good in making observation and experiment. It must be 50 kilometers apart. This is the distance between monitoring stations. Because a single monitoring station, I believe, is insufficient in making observation and experiment. Whereas if we put up several monitoring stations, maybe we could predict the magnitude, the epicenter, and the day it will occur through comparison of observations among monitoring stations. As you see, up to now no one can still predict an earthquake. Maybe because of the nature of an earthquake. It seldom happens. If it happens, it takes several years or decades or maybe centuries. And also another basis for earthquake prediction is the term in science, which says if there is an action, there is a reaction. So we have to find this reaction of an earthquake before it happens. These actions, then reactions, in earthquake, possibly it is vice versa. Maybe it is reaction first before an action. So we have to find out. And dealing with an earthquake is not just an ordinary task. It needs a lot of patience, a lot of perseverance, waiting for an earthquake to occur. As you see, earthquake with great magnitude is deadly and destructive. It destroys almost everything. From houses, roads, bridges, buildings, dams, create landslide, create tsunami. It could kill thousands of people to millions of people. That's why I'm proposing this to you, this idea. Maybe this is the solution to our long-time problem. Maybe you could help me on this. As you see, it needs resources and funding to put up several monitoring stations. Maybe you could help me on this by way of donations. If you wish to donate to push through this project, I have my bank account in Philippines, which is Allied Bank. My account number is 8620-06941-4. And if you wish to contact me, I have my cell phone number, which is 0927-6792-514. And also I have my address on YouTube, which is dino1261@gmail.com. Okay, thank you very much.